Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify ActiveCampaign affiliate links and conversion tracking step by step clearly. To verify your ActiveCampaign affiliate links, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the affiliate section on the dashboard. Locate the specific affiliate link you want to verify. Copy the affiliate link using the provided option. Open a new browser tab and paste the link into the address bar. Press Enter to visit the link and ensure it directs to the correct landing page. Next, to verify conversion tracking, return to your ActiveCampaign dashboard. Go to the Reports section in the main menu. Select Conversions from the submenu. Identify the specific campaign associated with your affiliate link. Check the conversion metrics displayed here. Make sure that the number of conversions matches your expectations. To further confirm, review the tag associated with your affiliate link. Go to Contacts in the main menu. Use the search bar to find contacts tagged with your affiliate identifier. Select a contact to verify the tag is correctly applied. Return to the Reports section to ensure conversions are recorded accurately. If the conversions are not reflecting, double-check your tracking settings. Ensure that your website's tracking code has been implemented correctly. Test the tracking code by submitting a test conversion. Monitor the conversions in your ActiveCampaign account after completing the test. Once confirmed, you can proceed with using your affiliate links confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.